How's it going? Dave here. I hope you had a really sick Christmas. I'm just dropping this video to let you know I've joined Skillshare to create some premium content for you. I've uploaded my first class and it is a Neo Soul Guitar for Beginners course. So if you're a beginner looking to play Neo Soul, you don't really know where to start, then this class is going to show you everything you need to know, and it keeps music theory to a minimum and it just gets you playing and creating riffs and licks. Definitely check that out by clicking on the link in the description. You get a 1-month free trial for Skillshare, so you can basically check out the course for free. If you want to learn a little bit more about the course, I'm going to run the introduction video now. So enjoy. How's it going? I'm David Lovejoy and welcome to my class on Neo Soul Guitar for Beginners. So as the name states, this class is for beginner players, and I'd say also it'd be very helpful for early intermediate players as well. I'm going to show you how to play Neo Soul and create your own riffs and licks in the Neo Soul genre in as quick of a time as possible and with as minimal music theory jargon as possible. Unfortunately, music theory is unavoidable, but I'm going to keep it as simple as possible. By the end of this class, you're going to be able to come up with cool ideas that sound like this. So let's jump straight into it. Enjoy.